Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to look at and we're going to talk about. Now, love the messages, love the comments, love that you guys are enjoying the channel. If you want more from yours truly, make sure you check out the shorts section. Daily quick tip videos, less than a minute, uploaded just for you and to help you out in your trading journey. All right, let's hop in. Gold. What we've had here on the daily is, again, we've had our consolidation. We had what I thought was going to be our head and shoulders pattern, but we never broke the neckline, so it was never confirmed. So we never had that bearish bias, and now we have broken and closed above the highs. A break above, close above the highs. I know it's going to be remedial, but got to train you guys. Identify a break above and close above allows us to predict that price is likely to do what? The answer is continue higher. So we should have a bullish bias from a fundamental perspective as well. We're coming up on a predicted 2 rate cuts that should bring dollar weakness, which so fundamentally that lines up with gold as well. So you should be looking for trend continuation opportunities here. If you are a breakout trader, you might be involved already on the break or during the break. If you are a pullback trader, you are looking for the pullback. Now, the biggest question I get on gold is, or not gold, but in situations like this is, okay, Akil, if I'm a trend continuation trader and I'm looking to get involved in this, where do I take targets? And that's the hardest part, right? Because we are at highs, there is no place in the past that we can use to look for targets. So we have 3 options. One is you hold forever, or hold forever but implement like a trailing stop strategy. We spoke about this in the Q&A on Monday with Daniel's strategy, where he trailed behind the previous candle once price got to a certain level. That's one way, kind of like in a classic trend continuation way. Another, and of course you can do that with like you can have a set target level and then do that with a secondary target. All types of ways to kind of do it. That's one way. Another way is to hold until you get a specific reversal reason. So what do I mean by a specific reversal reason? Well, this is where you take your trend continuation brain out. Plop. You put your counter trend brain in. Right? And you think like the other trader. I don't know why I need to make those sound effects, but I did. And once I started, I had to finish it. Right? And you think like the other trader. So just as we spoke about the other day, about when answering the questions about, hey, how do I look for, I think was it Brian, Phil? I'm forgetting names now. I'm sorry. Neil was asking the questions, hey, if I'm a counter trend trader and I'm looking to take trades in the middle of no man's land, what the hell do I do? And this is where we spoke about looking for our alternative or more, I guess, secure counter trend trading pattern. So as we spoke about in the first part of the session, is a double top really going to be something that we should look for here? Well, no, a double top is dangerous because when we have our first top and we have our second top, while this is in progress, we don't know if this is going to be a second top that ends up reversing or if this is just going to be a normal retracement and continuation. So maybe we wait for something like the 2618 or wait for this level to be violated down here, or the same thing with like a head and shoulders. So some type of reversal reason. Obviously, this would be a more conservative reversal reason. If you're trailing really, really tight, you can look for something like, I don't want to say a lower low, lower close, maybe like a pin bar or something like that. It all depends on how long you want to hold the trend. If you just want to be in and out quickly, you can have a really, really aggressive way of trailing. If you want to be in for kind of the long run, I would even look for a more conservative way, kind of the way we naturally trail. Someone's probably going to say throw in the parabolic SAR as well. That's always something you can use for trailing. PAR, SAR, there we go. That's that little dashy thing that you can just follow with your orders, and as it moves up, you just move your stop loss up accordingly until you're eventually taken out. Here's a good example right here, right? So you can see right here we had it, and then up, that eventually taken out right there. That's another way as well. I think those were, did I get the 3 ways? I think I said, oh no, the third way. Sorry. The third way is you make a prediction based on other factors. So for example, we have a range breakout. Maybe you take the range of this range and you look for an equal measured breakout and use that as a level. Maybe you throw in a Fibonacci extension, right? Let's take it from our swing low to a swing high. Oh, I guess that'll be right here. No, actually this one right here. Here we go. Swing low to swing high and back down. Maybe there's some Fibonacci confluence there, or a 127, a 1618, right? You basically do analysis, the same analysis you would do as a counter trend trader, but just understanding that you're not going to have structure with it. So multiple ways to look to take advantage of gold. And again, all of these ways can be done with, either taking everything out at a single location, or doing like, hey, I'm going to have it, and this would be my preferred way. So this is what I would do personally. I would have a set target for target 1, in a, maybe not with gold, because I'm a gold investor, so I would just hold. But like if this were a different asset, I would have a set target for target 1, and then target 2, that's the one I would let ride and see if we can catch a big old trend. And I would have a very loose trail. That's the one where I would shoot for the home run. So a very loose trail, I would trail. I always trail at structure. So I would do a trail like that, a structure-based trail. So good opportunity here at gold. Akil has been yelling shorts for gold for I don't know how long. But the thing is, we never got the short signal. So I know the internet is going to kill me. You were saying short like for the last month. I'm like, yeah, but I was saying short if we violate the neckline of our head and shoulders, and we never did it. But most people don't understand that's what trading actually looks like. You don't just say, hey, I think we're going to go short here, and then you just you trade it right away. Right? Predictive in our analysis, reactive in our execution. So it's funny, I told you my dad texted me this morning. He's like, man, said gold is over 24, blah, blah, blah. He's like, I wish I had some gold bars. And I sent him a picture of mine. I'm like, oh, like these? Like these? Oh, these things here? Oh. I mean, they weren't gold bars. They were coins. But still, I sent him a picture of gold. My friend's got the bars. I don't know why he bought the bars. I think it was just for the gram. I got the coins because I was, in case the world ever ended, and I wanted something easily tradable. Like, hey, you got change for this gold bar? You got change for this gold bar? No, you can't break a 1,000. No, okay, all right. I wanted something I can barter with. I've only had the chocolate coins that you get at Christmas. LJ, me too. Shh. My dad sent me a text back like, hey, why is one of those melting? We're going through a heat wave right now. Is one melt? No, that's... If you're a gold investor, Dad, you don't know. You don't have actually gold. It's a soft metal. It's a soft metal. Yeah, it's malleable. Sorry using, throwing out words I heard before. Malleable in the heat. Photosynthesis. Why is that one turned to green? Photosynthesis. What? Yeah, you don't know. You're not an investor, Dad. Go do dad stuff. So the footage I just showed you was from our live trading room. You're welcome to join. We run it every Tuesday through Thursday, both a London and a New York session. Just head over to www.tier1trading.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. And until next time, plan to trade your plan. Akil out.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display.